So we about to we're gonna go attempt to make another surprise pop-up. About to go to my best friend's house. Best friends consist of Uzi, Shanique, and newest edition, that little nigga. That's Ill Thoughts Oops, nigga. And, special occasion because it's Shanique's graduation, and we got Stephanie in the building all the way from Colorado, so you know a nigga's crunked in a motherfucker. So I'm about to like pull up. I'm gonna do some real crazy shit. But let me give y'all like a little tour. This is University Drive right here, you know what I'm saying? So like, this is Frenchie's. Don't get it twisted with the original one in the H-Town, because that one that we have is fucking shitty. And let me see what else you gonna see. Let me see. Do it. Alright, we coming up on one of the, it's like one of our bookstores. You know what I'm saying? Go sell your books back. It's the motherfucking infamous motherfucking Newman Center. Then Guard Central right there. All your guards and everything you want right there. You know what I'm saying? And this is our latest and greatest. This is the Brew Breakers. Pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Need no hands out. Down. Uh-oh. Joe's in the building. Yeah, so it's about to go down. But she called me Big Papa. She gave me her oh nana. Then I disappear like Tada. Yeah, that's smoking on that Tada. Now who the fuck gon' stop? Check me out. We're about to pop up on that. Glad to be home. I tell a bitch bow down to a motherfucking G, ho. Cookie. Motherfucking cook that shit. I'm in the motherfucking building. Told you, dog.
Nigga, my phone.
For real? Yeah, that's why I hit you. Ta-da! It's just me, is this really you? Shit was wild.
Oh my god!
My nigga stepped in the motherfucking building, bitch! What you step?
I can't believe it!
Nah, dude, you was coming out like, man, fuck. I was like, the whole crew about to be in this bitch. I was like, I can't not be in the building. That shit was crazy, though. I just got